Hey everybody, it is me again. I am here to show you the last new release for this year in 2022. We're going to be closing the shop in 3 days. I know this new release is not going to be up for very long. We will be closing in 3 days on this Sunday, December 18th at 11:59 Pacific time, just for the holidays, and we will reopen sometime in January. I'm honestly not completely sure when. Frankly, it's been a really rough day today, and I've just got some news that, I've been feeling really down about. So I think I might need to take some time off. But I will keep you guys posted about when we will be reopening again. But for now, we do have these two new Valentine's kits in the vertical and Hobo formats for you to pick up in the shop. And hopefully, I planned this so that there's tons of time for shipping and to make sure that you can get these way ahead of time to start prepping your Valentine stuff. So I designed two new Munchkin kits. This one is kind of like more generic, like romantic Valentine's one that it's like cute and pink and purple, things like that. So this one has all these as full boxes, some little couple munchkins, a jar of hearts, some doodles, a little note, and just some lovey-dovey stuff here. So I really like these full boxes. I think they are adorable for anybody who wants to celebrate Valentine's Day. And this is the bottom washi with the date covers. These are the functional stickers as usual. So you get 3 pages of functional stickers. So that's the kit. It's the Be Mine kit. And this one is the vertical version. Then we also have it in Hobo Cousin version. So you get these full boxes, and then the rest are the functionals. Plus you have bottom washi here and some really cute dividers. So 2 versions. I'm still working on Hobo Weeks format. So maybe in the new year, I can start bringing out some new kits in another format. The next one is probably there's only 2 kits, but this is probably the one that I like the most. And this one is called Love Comes From Within. You can use this for Valentine's Day because it's kind of like a stay in cozy one, like whether you have a special someone or you don't. This is really easy to use, and you could also use it just for like whenever you want to pamper yourself. So honestly, if you just have like a self-care, self-love day, this is generic enough that you don't have to use it just for Valentine's Day. So this one has lots of self-care themed stuff, like reading, drinking a nice hot drink, a little bit of wine if you like, and just like snuggling up on the couch, a good dessert, and a nice relaxing bath. So super duper cute. And this is what the bottom washi and date covers look like. And of course the functional 3 pages. So this one is the vertical version. Then we've got the Hobo Cousin version. So with the full boxes on this side, and then the functional stuff, plus the bottom washi and some dividers here. So those are the 2 kits in 2 different formats. So there are technically 4 that you can pick up if you use, multiple planners. And I know it's a really small release, but we do have some exciting things coming in January. So I didn't want to overwhelm my employees and myself. And I wanted to make sure that this was small enough that we can get everything shipped out before the holidays so that we can spend the holidays just, without thinking about work and taking a true break. I do have some personal updates. I think I'm going to do a plan with me video probably in this coming week, and I'll explain a little bit more about what's been going on in my life. As for the shop, we do plan to reopen next year. I'm not completely sure of the date, and of course I will keep you posted, but I do want to let you know that we have been cleaning up the office a lot. Like this whole year we've done a lot of rearranging, we've done so much organizing. I got a brand new dream box, and because of that we were able to bust out some of our new designs. So we have, I think there's like 20 something washi tapes, but I'm just gonna sneak peek these for you guys first. So these are something that you can look forward to in the new year. I'll be sharing you guys some planning spreads with these so you can see how they are going to be used, and I'm so excited for you guys. I can't wait to show you all the other designs that I've had kind of like sitting around ever since last November, and yeah, just like when things kind of started getting messy, I haven't been able to focus much on the shop. So thank you so much for your patience and support. I know I've been really slow with this stuff, but you know, we're more organized now, and I'm hoping next year I'll be able to just like, even if I have to take time off, that my employees can kind of keep things running. And yeah, so don't forget that if you want to pick anything up for the shop before the year ends, we are closing in 3 days on December 18th, which is a Sunday at 11:59 Pacific time. So if you want to get these kits well ahead of time before Valentine's Day, just remember to order before Sunday. And I think that's pretty much it. Okay, sorry, I'm rambling so much today, but I'm like running on 2 hours of sleep, and I'm gonna go and take a nap now before the baby wakes up. Thank you.